What's going on YouTube? Markel here, back with another video. So today I have you guys an unboxing of one of Samsung's top selling phones every year. This is one of two that's always in the top 10, and it's their A line, not their S line, not the Ultra, not the S24, none of those, the A line. So it's either the A05 or the A15, which is what I have right here. So this was on sale. I think this phone has been out about 7 or 8 months. And this was on sale for $110 here. So I know in the States that you could probably get this for under $100 now in the States through one of those carriers, okay? But this is the Samsung Galaxy A15, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. So let's unbox this thing here for the first time. Let's see how you get the device. Look how thin this box is though compared to the boxes we used to get. So obviously we're gonna get some paperwork here. That we got a USB-C to USB-C cable and some paperwork, and that's it. There's another section in here. You get just the SIM tool that's in there. That's it for that. Now just the cable and the phone. So let's check this out. There we go. You know, I try to be very careful because I normally give these away. I try to put them back as if they're brand new. All right, so we got that off. So here is the device itself. I got it in what is called the black color, but this looks more like a dark blue instead of a black. Of course, you got the 3 cameras on the rear. It's pretty light. It's only 200 grams. 6.5-inch display. You get your volume rockers here on your left side, along with the power button that also doubles as the fingerprint reader. And that's it for this side. On the bottom, you get one speaker. There is no speaker in the front up here. There's just this one bottom firing speaker. You get Type-C, and this is Type-C 2.0, not 3.0. And then you get the headphone jack here, and then on the right side, you only get the SIM tray here. I wonder if this is, since it's international, it should be a dual SIM tray. Okay, so let's see if this is a single or, so yeah, it's a dual. So you get the Nano on one side and you get the regular side on the front side. So on the bottom is the Nano and then the regular large size on the top. So it is dual, but they made it different. So there's no expandable memory on this particular model. And I believe this is the 4G model here. At the top, you only get the one microphone here. Let's turn this on to see if we got any power. So I'll be back in a sec, get this thing set up, give you guys the quick look, maybe a quick photo and a quick video, and we'll go from there. All right guys, so we got this thing all set up. I transferred everything using the Pixel. And so here's the screen, 6.5-inch, basically 1080p display. Video is 1080p 30 in the front, 1080p 30 in the rear. And that's about it for now, man. I'll go over more details when I do more of a review of the entire device, but this is just an unboxing, giving you guys a first look. Everything was pretty simple to set up. Just copied everything that was on my Pixel. Basically gonna put this in some type of order, so by alphabetical order. That's what I'm accustomed to. So everything should be back to the way it usually is. And that's it for now, guys. So the Samsung Galaxy A15, super light device. It feels as light as my Huawei did, being 200, no, actually my Oppo was lighter. I think it was like 190 something grams, where this is about 200 grams, but it is super light. It feels plasticky, I'm not gonna lie. There is no quick charging. There's no waterproof or splash proof on this, you know, and I'm not gonna get a case. I'm not gonna get a screen protector. I'm just gonna rock it like this until I decide to give it away. So I'm gonna try to make it the entire month for October using this device, giving you guys daily updates as I use it. It is slow. I already see it's slow right out the gate, but you know what? For $110, you can't expect much. So I will be putting out some photos and videos, doing a day in the life with this device as well, guys. So that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.